Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Bihari Jai Gujana Vallabha Jai Girivanarari Jai Girivanarari Sodanandana Pratadana Randana Sodanandana Pratadana Randana Yamuna Tira Havanachari Yamuna Tira Havanachari Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Bihari. Reading Bhagavata Purana Canto 1 Chapter 4 Text 5. Tristanyantam Risinatmayana Bhuvanagnam Devyo Hrida Paridadho Nasutasya Chitram Tadviksya Prichati Muna Jagadustavasti Sri Pumbida Natus Sutasya Vivita Triste. While Sri Vyasadeva was following his son, beautiful young damsels who were bathing naked covered their bodies with cloth, although Sri Vyasadeva himself was not naked. But they had not done so when his son had passed. The sage inquired about this, and the young ladies replied that his son was purified, and when looking at them, made no distinction between male and female. But the sage made such distinction. So it is not that Vyasadeva was lusty, but he still made the distinction between the male and female, which means that he was on the level of Swadharma. But when his son passed away, he was absorbed in the spirit, and he didn't see anything else except spirit souls. And this, however, doesn't mean now that this doesn't refer to this kind of modern day equality where we pretend that there's no distinction between men and women. That's tamasic, and that's why there's so much that kind of unfortunate dealings between the men and women because of that, and confusion. That's in mode of ignorance. This is that one is transcendental, one sees the spirit soul everywhere, spirits everywhere, and that's very high level of consciousness. That's not something to imitate or pretend. So one should make the distinction between the male and female. And this is injunction everywhere in the Vedas, that one should understand this distinction between the masculine and feminine consciousness in order to somehow stay in a clear state of consciousness. That's Dhira. So Vyasadeva was on the level of Dhira. He was creating this distinction. But his son was Admarama. He was just absorbed in the spirit and didn't see anything else except the spiritual beings everywhere. Sri Radhishyam.